We build our second story extensions right here in our purpose-built 24/7 all-weather facility here in Myaree. When we put it to our clients, would they prefer us to build the second story on-site or build it in our factory? Invariably 99.9% of people say, yes please, we'll have it built in the factory. They love the idea that they can come and view it at any time that they like through the different stages. And of course, one of the other major benefits is quality control. We also have the range of all the people that are involved, whether it's draftsmen, schedulers, estimators on hand, that can come and make sure everything's going right within 5 minutes. We have less wastage. And of course, the weather, we don't have to worry about the weather in here. So the trades don't have to worry about it being too hot outside or raining outside. And they actually love coming and doing their jobs in the factory as such. Using frames made from true core steel has a positive impact in so many ways. It's extremely fast and efficient to build with, not only in the factory, but also to install on site, which means obviously cost savings for the client, and ultimately they move into their extension a lot quicker. It's an amazing thing to see the transformation happen in such a short space of time.